Papunta kami sa eskwelahan ng aking anak kasi magpapapicture sila ngayon. At kukunin niya yung schedule niya sa pagpasok sa school. At kukunin din niya yung tablet na gagamitin nila sa eskwelahan. Naglakad lang kami papunta doon dahil mas malapit lang naman. Ayan yung mga kapitbahay namin. Ayan. Dito kami sa labas, naglalakad kami ng aking anak. Ay, ang init naman din, makulimlim na panahon. Naantok na ako eh. Ay, grabe. Naglalakad kami dito sa labas kasi pupunta kami sa eskwelahan ng anak ko. Magpapapicture sila ngayon sa sa August 31 yung start nila yung klase nila. Ayun nauna siyang naglakad. Malapit lang naman yung school nila rito. Yan, maglalakad lang kami mga 10 minutes siguro. Yan yung mga kapitbahay namin. Lakad-lakad lang, medyo madilim. Baka uulan na naman. Yan super duper. Naglalakad kami. Papunta sa eskwelahan. What time they will open? 8? Because I did not see my email.
At least I got my email, though.
Ah, okay.
Works that way.
That's good.
Now, find them, and we get you.
Yan, malapit na. Dito lang. Malapit lang yung eskwelahan nila. Sasamahan ko lang siya pagkatapos uuwi na rin ako. Matutulog dahil may pasok pa ako mamayang gabi. Panggabi kasi yung trabaho namin. Kaya yun. Lakad-lakad tayo. Kasi nagdalit.
Okay.
Yes, hold on. They're recording, yes. Malapit na kami sa school. Taking picture. Ayan, dito na kami sa eskwela.
You still have my shares.
Dito na kami sa eskwelahan. Asan ang entrance niya rito? Doon, di ba? At the back, right?
Now, move to
Where?
the sidewalk.
The sidewalk over here.
Hmm.
Dito na kami sa eskwelahan nila. Baka
You're
bawal.
already tired.
Yeah, I think so.
Over here. Back in there.
But you are so popo to me.
I'm trying to be
Wow, it's so far.
not that bad. This is like the front entrance and the other one isn't open. I like the back entrance. The whole dang school is drug free, you eat missiles.
Wow.
They got parking lot too.
Nandito na kami sa eskwelahan nila. Mag-titiking picture sila ngayong araw. Let's decide.
Come over here.
Sparta High School. Over here?
Oh yes.
Dang.
Rich, we're on Holy F School. Fifth one in a row.
Lakad-lakad.
At least robotics is starting earlier than last
Yeah.
year's.
Sparta School.
Started on Holy F School. I'm not going to enjoy English.
You are English speaking?
Do you even know what English means in school?
Sparta School.
There are benches inside if you want.
Okay, I will turn off maybe. It is not allowed inside.
Help me! Help! I'm being kidnapped! Help me!
Ayan,
Help!
No, no! I will avoid that damn camera.
Sira ulo ka na talaga.
Help! She's kidnapping me! The short, tiny lady
Naglalakad
who
lang
looks like
kami.
an elf!
Malapit lang naman yung yung eskwelahan
This Christmas
nila.
elf is trying to steal me! Help! This tiny
Kaya
Christmas
pauwi na
elf!
kami.
This tiny Christmas elf is trying to
Natapos na
steal
rin
me!
yung problema niya.
Help! Help
Nakapagpa-picture na
me!
rin siya.
Help
At
me!
din
This tiny
nakuha na rin
Christmas
niya
elf
yung
is trying to
gamit niya sa
kidnap
school,
me!
yung tablet daw.
Help! Help!
Ayan.
This Christmas elf!
Ayan.
No!
Okay.
Ayaw magpakuha. Loka-loka.
Help! Help! This Christmas elf is stealing me!
Ayan.
This tiny Christmas elf with gray hair! Help! Help! The tiny Christmas elf is